Good morning students. This is the time of your social study class. I hope you all are well and enjoying your class. So today we will continue the same chapter number 7, our festivals, and the topic is Republic Day. So children, you know Republic Day is a national festival of India. Yesterday we have to learn about the national festivals. National festivals means the festivals which is celebrated by all over the country. And there are 3 national festivals: the Republic Day, the Independence Day or the Gandhi Jayanti. But today I will explain only Republic Day. Okay? India became a republic on 26 January 1950. Since then we celebrate 26 January as Republic Day. Okay? So, Republic Day is a day to remember when the Constitution of India officially came into force on January 26, 1950. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. I repeat, Republic Day is a day to remember when the Constitution of India came into force on January 26, 1950. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. Look at this picture. This is the Republic Day in Delhi at Rajpath. Okay? The main function is held in Delhi at Rajpath. Our president hoists the national flag and takes salute of the parade. On this day, on the Republic Day, the grand parade is held at Rajpath, New Delhi, and the President of India hoists the national flag and salute the parade. Okay? A big parade is organized in which all the 3 wings of the armed force, police force, school, children, culture troops and folk dancers participate. Brave children from all over the country are made to sit on elephants and honored. Tableaux from different states and ministers make the parade very colorful. All government buildings are decorated with lights in the evening. Thousands of young and old people come to witness the parade in New Delhi. Look at this picture. This is the grand parade. इस परेड में तीनों आर्मी जो होती है वो इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करती है. इंडियन आर्मी के, एयर फोर्स, इंडियन आर्मी एंड इसके अलावा जितने भी फोक डांसेस होते हैं इंडिया के, जितने भी फेमस फोक डांसेस है वो सारे इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. एंड ऑन दिस डे ऑल द स्कूल्स और द गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग्स आर डेकोरेटेड. नेशनल फ्लैग also hoist on this day and the young or old people come to witness the parade in New Delhi. बहुत से लोग यहाँ पे राजपथ पे इस परेड को देखने के लिए इकट्ठा होते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ी परेड होती है. We also see this parade on 26 January at our television. The President of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort on this day. So children, that's why because on this day our country became republic, so that our country celebrate the Republic Day on 26 January 1950. Okay? After watching the video, you will read the Republic Day paragraph once again. This is your homework.